Hi everybody. As you might know, we are expecting and we used Amazon.com as a registry. On Amazon, if you have Amazon Prime, you can register for a welcome box, which is a free box that they send you with a bunch of free stuff for the baby and the mom, I guess. Too bad for the dads out there. But I just wanted to share with everybody, and just so that you can see what may be in the box and see if it's worth your while to register with Amazon. And I know there are other welcome boxes that you can get, and I think maybe on Target or yeah, I don't know. But anyway, I'll just go ahead and open this and see what we have in here. Today is the day I finally have time to open this. What you have to do to get this box is register on Amazon.com. After you register, you have to, I think, buy and ship something that's $10 or more to your address, and then have everything on the checklist registered or bought, and then they send you this box. So I was able to do that, and I was like, hey, if it's gonna be free stuff, it doesn't hurt to do it. So in here we have some Amazon, if you can see that, Amazon.com welcome box right there, and some cute paper. Oh, we have something yellow, which is a neutral color. I don't mind yellow. And this is a duck onesie. Oh, precious. Gobi, hi. Are you helping me unbox? Are you helping me unbox? Alright, so this is a cute ducky onesie. Gobi, this is not for you to play with. Stop. There's a couple of ducks in there. It's 6 to 3 months. So that's the first thing that was in there. And they have draft detergent. I think this is specially made for babies. So they have a few samples here of, oh, Pure Touch Draft. So this is the draft plant-based machine wash detergent. So 3 of them. This is cool. There's Honest Company Gobi. We have Honest Company fragrance-free bath and body essentials for delicate skin. I'm not sure if it's for baby or for mommy. Mommy might get it for herself, actually. Oh man, it's great. It's fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. This is the lotion and the wash. Alright, so next on to other things. Okay, so I have to be comfortable. Really? Okay. Next thing we have is the Aveeno baby lotion and breastfeeding guide, helping mothers breastfeed. This is a so these are breast pads for boobies, so that when you're leaking milk, and a booklet on breastfeeding, so that's cool. Another thing I have is a sample of Aquaphor diaper rash, I think, healing ointment for baby. Oh, I thought it was a coupon, but I don't think it is. So they're just like telling me what it is about with a small sample of Aqua 4 diaper rash cream. The next thing that's in the box, is quite a bit of stuff in here actually. We have 7th generation. I'm not sure what this is and how to open it. Oh gosh, it's some weird box. Somebody help me. Oh, that would do. So it's the 7th generation. Ooh, coupons. What? Score. Yeah, I love me some coupons. So we have save up to 20% coupon here for 7th generation for moisture lotion, foaming wash, and diaper cream, which is great. I like that. Ooh, and more stuff at the back. Yay. Okay. So we have 7th generation coupons. We have some wipes, free and clear wipes for safe for baby hands and face. Cool. So 2 wet wipes in there. What else? Some more lotion for baby. Free and clear laundry detergent. It's cool. So I'm gonna have a few loads of laundry to do for free. What? And 7th generation diaper. What size is this? This is a diaper. I think it's just one diaper. I'm not sure what size it is though. I'm guessing newborn. Kid box. And we're still going. Alright. Another thing we got here is a Huggies diapers. Little snuggles. So there are 2 diapers up to 14 pounds. So like size 1, 2 diapers of size 1. Includes 2 diapers, yeah. There we go, Huggies. And more lotion, wash. This is top to toe wash by Dove. Oh, it's so tiny. It's cute. And we have here, I think it's a swaddle. Ooh, that's a cute one. And I think it's muslin. It feels like, yeah, I think it's muslin swaddle. It's kind of soft. It's nice. It's cute. It's trees, so I know Ben would definitely like this. Yeah, and it looks large, so that's good. And last but not least, what? We have an Avent bottle. I've heard a lot about the Avent one, but haven't bought it yet. So I'm glad I got a free sample I can use and try it out. So that's clutch. So it's a baby bottle that has like a natural looking nipple and vents to help colicky babies, I guess. Yeah, it's cool stuff. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with this box. I wasn't expecting much, but it looks like we got a whole bunch of nice free things. So if you are looking to register, I highly recommend Amazon. It's free. As like tools where you can easily send thank you cards to people who sent you your registered gifts, and so you don't have to keep track of everything that you get. Like they keep track of that there. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for somebody. Good luck. Bye.